I'm going to tell you about an amazing dentist I just met here in Bradford, Dr. Jesse Chai. But first, I want to introduce you to one of his patients. Debbie visited Dr. Chai's office with a black tooth, something that had been troubling her for 30 years. Kids, even coworkers, were constantly teasing her about it. She visited Dr. Chai to see what he could do, and in just one visit, he removed the bad tooth structure and rebonded it to match the rest of her teeth. Just one visit, and Debbie had her smile back. Let me repeat, one visit, all done, fast and conveniently, not to mention pain-free. As she said after the treatment, maybe there's something you've been putting off with your own teeth. Or you don't realize that even if there's nothing wrong, it's important to have regular dental checkups to make sure things stay that way. In fact, did you know that there is a direct link between your dental health and your overall health? All the more reason to not put that dental visit off any longer, and Dr. Chai makes the whole experience easy. He has a gentle dental approach and strives to make any treatment pain-free. And he has the most up-to-date equipment and is trained in the latest techniques. Even better, Dr. Chai offers just about every dental service in-house. Implants, all forms of sedation dentistry, root canals, periodontal treatment, orthodontics for kids and adults, Dr. Chai does it all. He even has a crown-making machine on site. No waiting for an outside lab. And if you have issues with sleep apnea and snoring or TMJ, he can help you too. Having all these options available means your dental treatment is more convenient, quicker, and cheaper. On top of that, Dr. Chai makes it easy for you to fit a visit into your busy schedule. His office is open most days from early morning through early evening. You can even get in on weekends. No need to sacrifice your lunch break or miss any important work to visit the dentist. And get this, call any morning and he guarantees a visit that day. Have you ever heard of a dentist with that sort of a commitment to his patients? Plus, his office is a pleasure to visit. It starts when you walk in the door. In the waiting room, there's a variety of healthy snacks and a beverage station, including a Keurig coffee machine. You know, those little flavored pods. And when you're ready for your appointment, you're in complete comfort. His chairs have memory foam, and many have a massage feature. And above each chair is a TV with a wide selection of TV shows and movies for you to pick out. Sounds almost luxurious, doesn't it? Combine his experience and his focus on patient service, and it's no wonder Dr. Chai has been recognized by the local business community. The Bradford Board of Trade awarded him the Business Excellence Award in 2010 and 2012. And the Customer Service Excellence Award in 2011. He's the only local business to be recognized 3 years in a row. All that, and he's a best-selling author on the subject of dental health. More on that in just a moment. And he's committed to his community, offering free dental treatment every year during his Dentistry from the Heart event. In the last 2 years, he's donated $31,000 in care. Whether you've been putting off a visit to the dentist, or you just need cosmetic services, or a dentist for your regular appointments, it's time to call a trusted authority in your local community. Make an appointment with Dr. Jesse Chai today by calling his office directly, toll-free, at 1-877-283-0497. And by the way, Dr. Chai would also like to send you a free copy of his best-selling book, More Than a Mouthful. All you have to do is put your name and email in the box below. You'll get your free book immediately and receive updates from his office. Just sign up below.